culture.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles southeast of Stillman Valley, or 10 miles south of Rockford Airport, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Kirkland around 8:25 p.m., Belvedere around 8:35 p.m., Marengo around 8:45 p.m., Woodstock around 9 o'clock p.m., Wonder Lake, Hebron and McCullum Lake around 9:10 p.m., Richmond and Spring Grove around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Union. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Sunday evening for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.